What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Star Wars Battlefront 2 is having an issue with mid-game crashing while you are playing the game and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first and foremost step, we need to close few overlay applications which is going to work for you. So the first one, if you're already with the EA app and if you're trying to play the game with the EA app, the first and foremost step, you just need to click on the three vertical lines over here at the top, navigate to the settings, go to application, scroll down, and if you find the in-game overlay is turned on, we have to turn this off. That's an important step. Once afterwards, we can just move to the Discord as well. Go to the Discord, click on the settings, scroll down and navigate to the game overlay. Make sure the game overlay is turned off. That's an important one. So we have to turn this off as well. Now afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, then what we need to do is we just need to downgrade the graphics card. So what I'll do is I'll be providing a link in the description that's going to take you to this. You can just go over here or wherever you wanted to. So this is actually for both the drivers, for the NVIDIA as well as to the AMD. So those who are on the NVIDIA, just first select your graphics card. You can select the graphics card according to your PC's configurations and everything. Once afterwards, just go for start search. And right now, once you go over here, we have to scroll down over here. And if you find 576.28, that is the graphics card model, you have to download this. You might be on the latest version, but you have to downgrade the graphics card to the 576.28. The AMD users can also lower down the graphics card if you're on the latest versions. You will be having options to lower down the graphics card. So just lower down the graphics card from the latest version to the older versions. So the AMD users can also update the graphics card or downgrade the graphics card to the older versions if you wanted to. You can just click on the previous versions and go to Windows 11. Now over here in the Windows 11, if you scroll down, you will be finding the lower versions. Just update to the lower versions or downgrade it. Afterwards, most probably trying out these might be working the issue. And also parallelly make sure that you have given commands in the launch option. So right click over here and go to the properties. Now if you find 0, most probably it will be nil. So first try with DX11 and you have to launch the game. Next one, you have to remove this and try for DX12 and you have to launch the game. If that is not working, change everything and close this and you have to check with the game. And also if you're having the game with any other app, for example EA app, all we have to do is just go over here, click on add a game, go to add a non-Steam game, just navigate to the game and install or add the game from here, and you can launch it from the Steam. And while after adding the game, right click and go over here in the properties, give the command DX11, then try launch the game. So these steps will be working fine. So these are the steps and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.